You've harvested your hardneck garlic, you've cured it, and now it's time to prep for storage. You know your garlic is ready for storage when it's dry to the touch and there's no green in the foliage. It's been about 3 weeks. First, you want to cut the roots close without piercing the skin. Use a heavy pair of scissors and just work your way all the way around till you're done. Next, you want to cut the stem to about 1 inch above the stalk, remembering that that is just like a cork on a bottle, keeping the bulb fresh. Lastly, you want to break off any old, dirty skin all the way around, like so. And then you want to take a soft brush and just give it a quick little brush without abrading the skin. And you're done. Your processed garlic can be stored several different ways: on terracotta saucers, even on ordinary plastic trays with a mesh bottom, or a lovely little mesh bag that you can hang and store just about anywhere. For storing your garlic, you want to keep it in a dark, cool room between 56 and 58 degrees Fahrenheit or 13 to 15 degrees Celsius. Do not put it in the fridge because it'll just taste awful.